Hello, my name is Michaela Westra, resident artist here at Jerry's Artarama, and today I want to talk to you about SoHo's Artist Watercolor. Now, these watercolors come in a variety of different sets. Today we're going to talk about the set of 36, which has all of the colors in the line, including metallic and fluorescent colors. The other sets will have a variation of the same colors featured in the 36 color set. The set of 36 has whole pans, which are filled with wonderfully semi-moist paint, which makes it super easy to lift right off the bat. You don't have to worry about wetting your palette beforehand. You can just jump right in and get started. Now, SoHo does have other options as well. They have half pans and mini pans with their other sets. These watercolors are pigment-packed and super vibrant, which makes it wonderful for artists of all skill levels. All of these sets have a mixing area included. My favorite is the set of 36, which has a removable lid. It is completely white, so you can see those perfect color mixes as you're going. Now let's jump in and see how these look in action. So that was the SoHo watercolor sets. I really hope you guys get to take these home and try them for yourselves.